Hi, I'm here at the Great Arch in St. Louis, the gateway to the West, to talk about perspective. Now, we all know that things that are further away look smaller, but the architect here wanted to exaggerate that with this arch. Now, this is tall, 630 feet, so it's the second tallest monument on the planet. But to exaggerate that, the architect made the segments at the top smaller than the ones on the side, so it looks like it goes even higher than it does. Changing perspective is an important go-to play for leaders. You can do it a couple different ways. Generally, it means stepping away from your current position and then looking back at it. You can do this in time. Imagine a future self looking back to today. You can also do it in position. Hey, sit in my seat. Or imagine you're sitting from someone else's perspective. How would it look? You can also do that by actually going outside your organization. Hey, how would Disney do it? How would Toyota do it? How would Apple do it? And that kind of thing. Changing perspective is a very important go-to tool for leaders. I'm David Marquet, and that's your Leadership Nudge.